Today I'm going to be unboxing the BlackCraft Cult May Mystery Box, and this month's theme is Occult. It's available through BlackCraft Cult's website for $65. So let's check out what's inside. I wear BlackCraft a lot because I like the themes of the shirts. I'm just going to flip it over. Ooh, this is cool. Just a couple little papers. All right, the first shirt is the tank top. Oh, that's really, really cool. I like that shirt a lot. Oh, that's really rad. So here's the first shirt, or tank top. I'm definitely gonna rock that one. Let's see what the next item is. This is one of the shirts. That is cool too. See, all these designs are just very, obviously this month it's occult themed. They have just shirts that are just very abstract, and some of them are really, really cool, and that's pretty much why I wear BlackCraft all the time. Here's the second shirt. That is even awesomer. And obviously the create your own future tagline. That is super sweet. Okay, let's check out the other tank top. And this one is nice. It says witchcraft and black magic, curses and hexes. Anyway, that's the second tank top. This is gonna be a mess of a video. And this is the second shirt. Well, that was the third tank top. This is the second. Oh, this is really cool. Faithless. I like this one even better. Okay, now I'm gonna do the. You get a lot of stuff in this box, and for $65 plus shipping, it's not a bad deal. So these are all the stickers, and like I said, it's the occult theme. So there's one of the stickers. Here's another one. Pretty much everything just has the BCC logo on there, or initials. That's pretty cool. That's cool. And you get the BlackCraft promo material. Let's go. So here's a mystery item. I think it's gonna be one of those drink thingies. Yeah, thermos. Oh, that's sweet. So it's one of these black thermos. So that's really cool. So that's it for the whole box. So is it worth it? Well, considering you can get a single shirt for $25 or so, you get 2 tank tops and 3 shirts. That's a bargain. I would say do it if you can do it. I'm excited to check out the one for next month because it's a great idea if you want to gift one of the shirts to someone, or if you just want to collect a bunch of shirts and wear nothing but BlackCraft like me. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you're gonna get one of these boxes because they're pretty cool, and I might even give some stuff away. So I'll see you guys next month, and we'll do another BlackCraft Cult mystery box unboxing. See ya.